MCP servers explained, connect AI to everything, 6-minute explainer. Video metadata. Duration, 6 minutes. Style, technical explainer with diagrams and code. Voice, NUSky-neural. Tags, MCP, Model Context Protocol, AI Tools, LLM, Anthropic, AI Integration. Script. Midnight to 0:30, hook. What if your AI assistant could read your emails, query your database, deploy your code, and manage your calendar all through one standard protocol? That's exactly what MCP does. And in 6 minutes, you'll understand how it works and why it matters. 0:30 to 1:30, the problem MCP solves. Right now, connecting an AI to external tools is a mess. Every tool has its own API. Every AI platform has its own plugin system. Want your AI to talk to Slack and GitHub and your database? You're writing 3 different integrations with 3 different formats. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, fixes this. It's a universal standard for connecting AI models to tools and data. One protocol. Any tool. Any AI. Think of it like USB for AI. Before USB, every device had its own cable. MCP is that universal connector, but for AI agents. 1:30 to 3 o'clock, how MCP works. MCP uses a client-server architecture. Let me break it down. The MCP host is your AI application, GitHub Copilot, Claude, Cursor, or your own custom agent. The MCP client lives inside the host. It manages connections to one or more MCP servers. An MCP server is a lightweight program that exposes tools, resources, or prompts. Each server wraps a specific capability. Show diagram, host client server 1, GitHub, server 2, database, server 3, Slack. The communication uses JSON RPC over standard I/O or HTTP. The server declares what tools it offers. The client discovers them. The AI decides when and how to use them. Here's the key insight: the AI doesn't need to know how each tool works internally. It just sees a list of available functions with descriptions. And it picks the right one based on the task. 3 to 4:30, building a simple MCP server. Let's look at what a basic MCP server looks like. A server needs 3 things. 1. A manifest that declares its capabilities. 2. Tool definitions with names, descriptions, and input schemas. 3. Handler functions that execute when a tool is called. For example, a weather MCP server might expose one tool. Get_weather with a city parameter. When the AI calls get_weather with city equals Seattle, the server fetches the weather data and returns it. The beauty is, you can write MCP servers in any language. TypeScript, Python, C#, Go, whatever your team knows. For 30 to 5:30, real-world MCP servers. The ecosystem is growing fast. Here are some servers you can use today. GitHub MCP server, search repos, manage issues, read code. Playwright MCP server, browse the web, take screenshots, fill forms. Azure DevOps MCP server, manage work items, pipelines, pull requests. Database servers, query PostgreSQL, SQLite, or MongoDB directly. And you can build your own. Got an internal API? Wrap it in an MCP server. And every AI tool in your organization can use it. 5:30 to 6 o'clock, outro. MCP is still early, but it's already changing how we build AI applications. Instead of one monolithic AI that tries to do everything, we're moving toward composable AI agents that plug into any tool. Next week, GitHub Copilot CLI, the developer's secret weapon. Subscribe so you don't miss it.